Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're not receiving the verification code in the LinkedIn app. So the first thing we're going to need to do is just head over to the home screen on our mobile device, come over to the settings window, and then you need to scroll all the way down to messages. And the first thing we're going to do is come down to iMessage, and you just need to toggle this off, wait about 3 to 4 seconds, and then turn this back on. Once you've done this, we're going to scroll down again to send as SMS, and you want to make sure this option is turned on, and you can also try toggling this option off and on. The next thing you need to do is come down to message filtering and make sure filter unknown senders is turned off. If you have this turned on, then it could be blocking certain senders, so just make sure you have this switched off. And then we need to come up slightly over to blocked contacts, and inside of here you'll see a list of numbers that are currently blocked on your device. I'd recommend just going through this list and unblocking any numbers that could potentially be coming from LinkedIn. They'll usually be a slightly weird number, and they'll usually have less digits like this 577861 on my phone here. And to remove a number from the block list, we just need to come over to edit in the right hand side and then select the minus sign and click unblock. Then we can head back out of here. And the next thing that I'd recommend doing is coming over to the top of your settings window, and down where it says VPN, make sure you have your VPN switched off. Sometimes if you have your VPN turned on, this can flag the system with unusual activity. So I'd recommend trying to turn your VPN off. And then we're going to head back over to the LinkedIn application, and we can try resending our text message to see if that now fixes the issue. Now, if that's still not working, another thing we can do is come back over to the settings menu, scroll all the way down to find the LinkedIn application. Make sure you have background app refresh toggled on, and then you can come back out of here. Then just use your finger to scroll down from the top of your screen, and then make sure you do not have do not disturb turned on. If you have do not disturb on, then you won't be able to receive text messages, so just make sure this is switched off. And whilst we're on this window, it's also a good idea to press airplane mode at the top here, wait 3 to 4 seconds, and then turn this feature off. And if that still doesn't fix it for you, the very last thing I'd recommend doing is just coming over to the settings menu and heading inside of general, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select transfer or reset iPhone. Click on the reset button at the bottom here, and we're just going to go ahead and select reset network settings. Now this will only reset your network configuration, so don't worry about losing any data doing this, and just follow the steps on screen to reset your network. And once that's done, we can head back over to the LinkedIn application, and once again just try resending the SMS text message. Now lastly, if you've tried all of these steps and that's still not working, you could always select the phone call option over here, and that way rather than receiving a verification text, you'll get a phone call instead. And hopefully by following all of the steps in this video, that's now fixed your issue. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.